Welcome back. Today, we're concluding our AI 101 series with a look at what lies ahead, the realistic future of AI. Over the last 7 lessons, we've covered a lot of ground. Now we're moving beyond the hype and the headlines. The future of AI is going to be incredibly significant, but it isn't magical. It's software, and it's built on human choices. In the coming years, AI won't feel like a separate thing we use. It will simply be embedded in our everyday tools. It will be in how we communicate, helping us find the right tone in an email or translating a call in real time. Behind the scenes, AI will manage our power grids and transportation networks, making our cities more efficient. Think of it as an invisible assistant that makes our daily activities just a little more convenient and reliable. In the workplace, the shift will be profound. AI is already starting to automate many of the most repetitive tasks. This isn't just about robots, it's about software that handles the heavy lifting of data entry and basic analysis. But the real story isn't just about automation, it's about augmentation. AI will act as a co-pilot for your professional life. As the routine work is handled by AI, our roles will shift more towards strategy, creativity, and high-level problem solving. AI can provide the data and the initial drafts, but the final decision, the judgment call, will remain fundamentally human. In healthcare, AI will assist doctors by flagging anomalies in scans early and personalizing treatments to individual patients. It will accelerate scientific discovery, helping researchers model climate patterns or find new materials in record time. Education is another area where the impact will be deeply felt. Imagine a tutor that knows exactly where you're stuck. AI can personalize the learning experience, adapting to each student's pace and style, and providing instant feedback. For teachers, this means less time on grading and paperwork and more time for what they do best, meaningful mentorship and inspiration. The future will require us all to be lifelong learners. As our tools evolve, our ability to adapt will be our greatest asset. Creativity will also expand. AI tools are lowering the barrier to entry for making music, digital art, and even videos. We will see entirely new forms of expression emerge as humans and AI collaborate in ways we can barely imagine today. Yet, the soul of the work, the unique perspective and intent behind the creation will always come from you. But a realistic future isn't just about progress. It also involves carrying forward some very significant concerns. The rise of misinformation and deepfakes will make it harder to distinguish what is real from what is generated. We must continue to fight algorithmic bias, ensuring these systems don't amplify existing social prejudices. Privacy will remain a central debate. How do we benefit from personalized AI without giving up our personal data? There is also the risk of an uneven future, where only some people and nations have access to these powerful tools. And we must guard against over-reliance. We cannot let AI replace our own ability to think critically and solve problems. This brings us to a vital point. The future of AI is not something that just happens to us. It's something we build. Public policy and government oversight will be essential to ensure AI is developed and used safely and ethically. Companies must be held accountable for the systems they build, with incentives that prioritize human well-being. Ultimately, society as a whole must decide how we want to govern these systems and what lines we refuse to cross. So, what can you do? The first step is literacy. Understand the tools you're using, their strengths and their flaws. The second step is adaptability. Stay curious, keep learning, and be ready to evolve alongside the technology. Approach the future not with panic, but with a sense of responsibility. We are the ones in the driver's seat. Thank you for joining me for this entire series. It's been an honor to explore the world of AI with you. Stay curious, stay grounded, and pay attention for future educational videos. Thank you, and see you next time. The future we've discussed isn't a distant fantasy. It's already taking shape in laboratories and offices around the world. But remember, the most important component in that future isn't the silicon or the code. It's the human spirit. If we keep people at the center of development, AI can be one of the most powerful tools for good we've ever created. This series was just the beginning. The journey of understanding AI is one that we will all continue together. Thank you for being part of this learning community. I'm Teacher, and I'll see you in the next series.